morning. It's currently 8:45 a.m. I'm going to the Grampians, which is like 3 hours away, because it looks really pretty there. So I'm going to stay for the night, do some hikes. It's the pinnacle one I think I'm going to do today. It's like 9k's long. Or you could do the short one for 4k's, see how I'm feeling. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'm going to stay the night at this really cute cabin. They've got a massage chair. Yeah, that's basically it. And I'll see you in 3 hours. I've made it. It's actually busy as fuck. They gave me a fucking fright. It just jumped out at me and I nearly pissed my pants. It hasn't even been a kilometre and I've already puffing. Ignore my breathing. I'm dying. It's so cold. I just climbed up into this alleyway. And it's a cool little opening bit. I don't know what you call this. And I was worrying that it was going to be really like empty. Because I mean sometimes it can be kind of scary if you're all alone. But there's fucking heaps of people here. I'm going to go through here. Oh, that's cool. Bee. No, it's a fly. What the fuck? Finally, by myself, I think it is actually going to be a bit longer. I took the 2k route. Extra 2k. So going to be, I don't know, it will be 8. 4k up, 4k down. And you could have either chosen the shorter one. But I think everyone else was doing that. So I took the long one. And no one's here. Which is fantastic. Still no luck. I'm walking around like this. And still can't find anything. Lizards though. A few lizards everywhere. That's about it. And butterflies. Oh, speaking of. You see that? It's just those brown ones. I think they're skinks. Fucking fly won't fuck off. Oh, he's actually pissing me off. He's like in my head. Can you fuck off? I feel like if I was to find one, I'd be looking at the bush too much and I'll probably stand on it and get bit. But at least I'd see one. You know? Even if it is venomous. I'd be happy. I'd die happy. People just randomly appeared from. I was on myself for so long. And now, they just keep popping up. That couple was taking fucking ages. Up here. Wow. That's crazy. Right on, it's kind of freaky because there's a crack there and I don't actually know. These are hollow. There we go. Oh my god. Ooh. It makes me feel little bit sick actually. Ooh. No, very afraid of heights. Still haven't seen a snake. There's been heaps of those lizards, but I'm actually fine now if I don't see one, because this was a really cool hike actually. It's really pretty. So I'm happy. I'm satisfied with that. And I still have tomorrow. I think I'll wake up early and try do something. Go do some more sightseeing. These feel really weird to stand on. They're like springy. What a brilliant surprise. I don't know what those are. Oh my god, I got boyfriend and girlfriend here too. That is so cool. Wow, that's cool. Cute little town. I think there's a campground down there actually. I think I'll be staying somewhere in this area. Yes, just to narrow it down. I heard a weird noise. Maybe it was just a tree. I'm watching. This has actually been an easy walk too. Like there was a bit of hill, but I feel fine. I've also been going very slowly. That's a nice rock, isn't it? That's lovely. I'm just going to test what it's like on this close up. You're not very good at the close-ups, is it? Oh, that is so cool with that dot thing. What the hell? Wow. Holy heck. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, look at that. I could fall away any second. I just realised I came the best way up the mountain. Just look at all these fucking stairs. Imagine that. So I'm actually a bloody genius. Look at this as a path. Crazy stuff. Whoa. Not very balanced. I'm so tired. My legs are jelly. I think I've got like 2k's left. Hopefully. I take it back. It's not easy. Just climbed up whatever that is down there. And there's still more to go. I forget how long 8k actually is. It's long. It's really long. I don't even care about snakes anymore. Like if I see one, that's cool. But like, I don't even think I have enough energy to give a shit anymore. Oh, pretty. It feels like, I don't know, some island. Oh my god, 600 meters. I don't even know if that's my car park though. Isn't it good? Oh, this is so cute. Waiting for me. Oh, it's okay. He looks pretty soft at the back. See you later. Oh my god, it's right here. He didn't laugh. Wow, great parking. Halfway on the road. Anyway, Airbnb time. I don't know if I filmed that whole thing. I don't think I did. Where was I? Crazy here. Kangaroos over there. This is the outside. It's really pretty. Got a cool swing seat that I'm gonna sit on in a sec. And this is inside. That massage chair. Very excited to use. King bed, I think. Looks pretty large. Bathroom. Or bath. It's an interesting place. Good for couples. Big bathroom. And the toilet. 30. So yeah, I'm just gonna charge my phone. Sit down. And then figure out what I want to eat for dinner. I look crazy. That's what I got for dinner. It's dessert. Leaves home. Chicken parma. Just came bouncing past. Oh my god. I feel like I've got one of the best cabins. I think so indeed. Wow. Morning. Woke up 9:30. Crack of dawn. Now look at this. So I'm gonna put you out the window because this is absolutely stunning. All these trees. So pretty. Alright, luckily this is a very nice short walk. I actually think that's one of the best views I've ever seen in my life. That's crazy. And all the trees down there. Like, we're so high up right now. Incredible. Can you see him down there too? No. Where is he? There he is. That's fucking crazy. I just saw a fucking snake move. Finally. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I don't know where the fuck he went though. He just slithered away. That was a brown one. I see it. Oh my god, there he is. I hope you guys saw that. Oh my god. A skeleton of something. It's kind of cool. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, this is the area we're exploring. It's really good though when there's kangaroos because they make little paths everywhere. I don't know if you can see that. And then you just follow them. And it's pretty brilliant. Makes it a lot easier. There's a fucking snake right there. Oh my god. What's the fucking timing of that? He's definitely there. No way he just disappeared. I swear there was one right there. Oh, there he is, there he is. He just crawled over that log. Oh, fuck, I just saw him. They disappear so quickly. That's so annoying. Oh my god. Wow. There's fucking heaps around here. Oh, so he was right there. Fuck. Shit is getting wild. This is definitely the best spot. What a cool fucking background. I saw 3 eastern brown snakes. I'm so happy. Yeah, so heading back now. Only 3 hours to go. This is the road. Beautiful, beautiful place. Would definitely recommend. Even though that hike was really hard yesterday, it was very worth it. It's only hard towards the end. Unless you do the opposite version, then it would be hard at the start. Like that. But yeah, anyway.